Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this question. So for solving this, first of all, we will make it a polynomial. Okay, like single term. Okay. Okay. Then first we will write like this. Integral. Now in the first step we will multiply this and with this term. Okay, so multiplying 1 with 2 will be 2, 1 with 3x is plus 3x. Okay, then minus x with 2 is minus 2x, minus x with this plus minus 3 ones are 3 and x square. This is our required equation. Okay, after that 5 minus 4x dx. Now we will product this whole term with this quadratic equation with this. uh, First write like this: integral 2 plus 3x minus 2x is x minus 3x square, 5 minus 4x dx. Okay, after that there will be now product of this with this is equals to, first we're going to multiply 2 with these two terms, then x with these two terms, and then minus 3x with these. 2 multiply with 5 is 10, 2 with 4 it will be minus 4 to the 8x. Okay, after that x with 5 is plus 5x, x with minus 4x is minus 4x square, minus 3x is minus 15x square, minus plus 4 3 the 12 x cube and dx. Now we're gonna integrate this whole. So integration of 10 will be 10x, because we know that if there is nothing it means there is x raised to power 0. Okay, because x raised to power 0 is equals to 1, and now we're gonna integrate this because 1 is multiplying with this 10, and if we're gonna integrate this it will be equals to x raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. Okay, so minus, therefore it will be equals to x raised to power 1 over 1, so it is x, therefore there is x, minus 8 x raised to power 1, therefore 1 plus 1 which is 2 over 1 plus 1 2, plus 5 x raised to power 2 upon 2, minus 4 x cube by 3, minus 15 x raised to power cube by 3, plus 12 x raised to power 4 by 4, plus c. Now there are two terms with squares and two terms with the cube, so it is equals to 10x minus it is equals to minus 3x square upon 2, and this is equals to, because their denominators are same and their powers are they are like terms, therefore we are evaluating this because their denominators are also same and they have x cubes, so it can be done. Minus plus, it will be minus 19 x cube upon 3 plus 1, and this goes to 3 on the table of 4, 3x raised to power 4 plus c. This is our required answer. I hope you understand. So you can leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.